Hey guys, my name is Eden and I'm here to teach you about the ins and outs of Pytest. So I think the best way to learn the Pytest testing framework is by building a real-world application and then test it with Pytest. So in this course we will build a fully functional Django web server from zero, and then we're going to test it using Pytest. Now, we're not only going to learn about Pytest, we're going to learn about many other testing subjects. So, for example, we're going to learn about the standard unit test library that Python offered us, so we can see where Pytest came from and why it was invented. We will not only learn how to use Pytest must-know features like Pytest parameterized fixtures and marks, but we will actually implement those features ourselves, so we'll understand what's Pytest doing under the hood when we use those features. Not only are we going to write a real-world project and write tests for it, but we're also going to build a complete continuous integration system. So each time after we make a push to a repository, then all of our test suite is going to run. If you want to review about all the topics that we cover in this course, I highly suggest that you review the example video I posted below. In this video, I quickly review all the topics that are covered in this course. So when I created this course, I had a few things in mind. 1. You will learn the ins and outs of Pytest. 2. You'll be able to build a real-world Django application. 3. You will be familiar with a lot of testing concepts, such as continuous integration, performance testing, unit test, integration test, etc. So it's important to say that I keep updating this course all the time. So I recently updated this course with a lot of new content. We have now a Slack integration that is sending us a message when our pipeline is failing or passing. We have now advanced usage of Pytest fixtures and making our fixtures parameterized. And I added some videos of making our API tests server agnostic. So it doesn't matter what language our server is built, we can still test it because we're going to use the request library. I also wanted to mention that this is not a beginner course. So if you're new to Python, then this course may not be the right choice for you. So I assume in this course that you are an intermediate user of Python. So this means that you are familiar and comfortable with Python and you're reading some projects using this language. So that's pretty much it. And before purchasing this course, I highly suggest that you watch some of the example videos I've listed below so you'll get the idea of what I'm teaching in this course. So I hope to see you soon, and I also hope that you are doing well in those corona times.